Well, hey guys, today we are testing something exciting, the GoPro Volta and the Insta360 Ace Pro. Okay, so the GoPro Volta, which is known for enhancing GoPro's battery life and providing extra functionality, works with the Insta360 Ace Pro. As you can see here, this is the GoPro Volta. This is the battery. Comes on a pedestal. It's a great accessory that GoPro sold with their action cameras. Here on the side, you can see it's got all these different buttons. Cord that does stretch, but it also retracts back in a little bit to help with cable management. All right, first let's go ahead and connect the two devices so I can show you guys how it works. The GoPro Volta uses a USB-C connection, and so does the Insta360 Ace Pro, making this a pretty easy setup. All right, so on the side here, you'll pull down on that and you can see there's the USB-C port, and then we'll just connect in the cable from the Volta. Just clicks in right just like so. And as you can see right here on the very top right corner, there's a charge symbol showing that this Volta is charging the Ace Pro. And I'm at 84% and it'll just continue to climb. So as you can see, the GoPro Volta enhances the Insta360's Ace Pro's performance, giving you more shooting time and better control. Better control by holding it on a selfie stick like this, so you can go out and about and record in the field. So this is a game changer when it comes to needing more reliable power when recording for long periods of time. Now, I have only used this mainly to put power in this thing. I've never used it for any of the controls here. To be honest, I really don't know if it works if you were to Bluetooth this to that camera. I haven't really tried that because I haven't needed to. I've used all the controls here on the Ace Pro, and I've only used the GoPro Volta to give me more battery life, and it has done well for that situation. So there you have it. The GoPro Volta works perfectly with the Insta360 Ace Pro. If you're looking to extend your filming capabilities, this combination is definitely worth considering. I'll put a link in the description down below for both of these devices. Well, thanks for watching, guys. Hopefully this video was helpful in answering your question if the GoPro Volta works with the Ace Pro. If it did, go ahead and click a thumbs up on this. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I make tech videos all the time, and I'd love to have you back in the next one. Take care.